Welcome to Wheel Check Review, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is where rugged power meets luxury living on the road. Built on the iconic W900 chassis, this motorhome delivers the classic long-nose styling and chrome-heavy presence Kenworth fans love, now upgraded for full-time travel or cross-country adventure. Under the hood, it's powered by a Packard MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and over 1,850 pounds-ft of torque, ensuring it handles any terrain with confidence. Whether you're climbing mountain roads or cruising highways, inside, the transformation from a workhorse truck to a luxury motorhome is nothing short of impressive. The cab transitions into a spacious living area, featuring high-end materials, real wood cabinetry, and leather seating. The driver's cockpit remains fully functional with digital displays and smart connectivity. But just behind it, you'll find a full kitchen with modern appliances, a queen-size bed, and a separate bathroom with a shower. LED lighting throughout. The space adds a premium touch, and multiple slide-outs increase the interior room when parked. Kenworth has also integrated cutting-edge tech, including solar panels on the roof, smart energy management systems, and climate control that adapts to any environment. Safety hasn't been compromised, either collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make driving a breeze, whether you're a long-haul traveler or a weekend explorer. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is a statement of freedom, performance, and style. It brings the soul of a classic rig together with the comforts of a luxury RV, redefining what it means to live life on the road. Enjoy your journey and like and subscribe and click the bell icon.